Have Pranav. Can you hear for Pranav, please?
I really have to be. Okay, this is my first time doing stand-up, and my jokes are going to be a little neutral. So those white people out there, you don't have to be freaked out. You know, you don't get those Malu jokes or Hindi or Tamil jokes. They're going to be neutral, and if you have an IQ of like 85 plus, you're going to get them. So, who is from Chennai? Give me some noise. Who's not from Chennai? Give me some noise. Now I can go home proud to my mother and say, when I went on stage, everybody shouted. Yeah, thank you very much. So, I'm going to be talking about something that's the birthright of every guy. No matter which country you're from, what age you are, you like this shit. It's pornography. What's pornography? I'm going to talk about that. You know, I can actually see some women in the crowd going, ew, that's fucking disgusting. But, guys, look, this is a fact. And before, people say that porn is addictive, I like to think that, video games are more addictive. Anyone agree? Yeah, video games are more addictive. So, this is a really stinking rich friend of mine. He's just got a Nintendo Wii. He invited a few mates over, and of all the fucking sports he could think of, he was playing curling. Does anyone know what curling is? Oh, okay, fine. For the people who don't know, it's a Winter Olympic sport where 3 guys, one guy slides on a disc, and 2 people are like. So that's how it goes. It's like the most gay sport ever. And he invited me to play with another mate. So I was the one sliding the disc. So this is what I did. I went like this. And those 2 other guys are really into video games. So they're like, I was standing there. Oh, that's what they're doing. And they weren't even talking to each other. Come on, Amancha, we have to get this inside. Yeah, I agree. Please work harder. I know dads don't approve of this. My dad either, but a mutual love and succeed. That's not video games for me. I never played another one. Ever. Never touched a Nintendo Wii. I don't think someone's going to touch this mic afterwards. So, coming back to porn, you guys in India, when you watch porn, with every site that opens, there's a pop-up ad. Can you guess the site that opens with every porn site? Anyone? It's Shadi.com. It's like the Eastern and the Western philosophies are colliding with each other. The East says, if you want to have sex, get married. And the West says, if you want sex, give us your credit card info. And Sexy Babe 3479 will be all yours. There are never local floods who are horny enough waiting for me. Shadi.com is okay for me. But the thing is, I look at Shadi.com, and there's Priya, Riya, and Anchal. They're 24, 25, and 26 for the past 5 years. And they're unmarried. So that's how I figure, boy, Indian guys must have really high standards. These girls are really pretty. So if you want to have sex in India, make a Shadi.com profile. Their relatives will approve you. They'll hold a big grand ceremony, and then they'll let you do hook up. Make some noise for India. So, yeah, my friend, sent me a link about the dowry calculator from India. Apparently, if you're an IIM graduate who's fit enough, with all hair, and you're looking for a good wife, decent wife, you can get a dowry up to 8 to 12 lakhs. But if you're a fat, balding, and dark-skinned teacher, and you still want the same girl, you can get like dowry of 50 to 1.5 lakhs. I don't know, joke there. I just want to get rid of riches. If you're getting married, it's fine. Don't make fucking sense to each other. That's what I'm put there. So